Top news: experts issue warning over oat milk. Dairy alternative linked to health harm while semi-skimmed cow's milk boasts surprising benefit. If you splash almond milk over your porridge or opt for oat milk flat whites, then you might want to think again. Opting for plant-based dairy alternatives could harm your mental health if new research is to be believed. Scientists, who tracked more than 350,000 Brits, discovered plant-based milk drinkers were more likely to suffer from depression than those who drank semi-skimmed cow's milk. Chinese researchers said semi-skimmed contains more good fats than skimmed milk, but fewer bad fats than full fat. Previous research has found good fats may increase the production of serotonin, a hormone that can alter mood. This, they theorized, means the milk could sit in a sweet spot where it improves mental health. It also shatters the myth that milk alternatives are always the healthier option, they argued. The research comes just months after separate studies have linked the drinks to blood glucose spikes, bloating, skin issues, and being protein deficient. In the fresh study, scientists at Southern Medical University in Guangzhou, southern China, tracked the diets and mental health of participants for more than a decade. They found semi-skimmed cow's milk drinkers were 12% less likely to be depressed and 10% less likely to have anxiety. Those who consumed plant-based milks, such as soya and almond, had a 14% increased chance of depression. Writing in the journal, Frontiers in Nutrition, the researchers said, milk is a rich source of nutrients such as lactose, lipids, protein, and minerals, which are essential for maintaining human health. The fatty acid profile of semi-skimmed milk might provide greater cerebral, brain protection compared to full cream milk and skimmed milk, thereby potentially reducing the risk of both depression and anxiety. These findings suggest that semi-skimmed milk may have a protective effect against these mental health conditions, presenting new prospects for dietary interventions. Research has long shown that too much saturated fat in a diet may raise the risk of high cholesterol, strokes, and heart disease. It has also been shown to increase the risk of depression. However, semi-skimmed milk has a lower level of saturated fat than full-fat milk. In the UK, growing numbers of people have turned their backs on cow's milk, instead opting for plant-based alternatives. Interest in a plant-based diet has soared in recent years, with vegans citing ethical, environmental, or health reasons for making the switch. One recent survey suggested around 600,000 people are now believed to be on a plant-based diet, while another in 2021 claimed almost a third of Brits used alternative milks. However, research has increasingly suggested plant-based milk alternatives are not as good for you as the real thing. Last month, the Mail on Sunday also reported that the uber-trendy dairy alternative could be behind a growing number of young people being diagnosed with high cholesterol.